All right, welcome back to Smart Money Monday. Today's segment, we're going to begin a series where we're going to go over financial tips for various stages within our lives. Our focus today will be on entering the workforce, growing in your career, getting married. Here to help us sort out through all of this, we have Taylor Kirihara from Bank of Hawaii. How are you doing, Taylor?
Good, Steve. Good to see you again.
You too. You too. All right, so let's do this. Fresh out of college, trying to get a job, what do we need to keep in mind?
Well, at this early stage, the best thing you can do is to master the creation and maintenance of a basic budget. This is a great lifelong skill, but right now it's a crucial one while money is tight.
Yeah, but there's so many things I want to buy, Taylor.
Yeah, I know. Well, a budget teaches you how to track your spending and identify ways to save. That way, it'll be easier to find ways on how you can set aside money for things like an emergency or maybe to start funding your retirement.
Yeah, and I would imagine that it makes a good sense to start paying down your student loans.
Yeah, absolutely, right. And paying those down on time is definitely important. It's also a good idea to look at the benefits your workplace may offer, such as matching your paycheck for contributions to maybe a 401k retirement plan.
Okay, so fast forward a little bit further into our career, worked hard, a better job, better salary, and we're starting to build with our savings. So what's next?
Right, so start thinking about what you want your retirement to look like, right? Meeting with a financial professional is a great way to sort out your goals and can find the best place to maybe put that money from that 401k you may have had at that previous job.
Okay, so plot twist, next life stage is marriage.
Ooh,
what do we have to do there?
Right, so there's quite a few things to consider, including reviewing maybe your various insurance policies, right? You want to determine if you should add your spouse to things like your auto insurance or your health insurance coverage. You also might want to look at life insurance policies for each other.
Okay, life insurance?
Yeah, right. So it's always smart to prepare for the future. So in that sense, you should also create your estate plan, maybe update beneficiaries to your account.
Okay, that sounds great. I think we got enough life for one day. We're going to continue a little bit later next week. All right,
Awesome.
thanks,
Thanks,
Taylor.
Steve.
Appreciate
No
it.
problem.
And thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.